Here to expose the secret on how you can make $400 from just TikTok lives. Hey guys, this is how you can make over $400 on just TikTok lives and TikTok lives alone. I have this format I'm about to give you now. I've seen a lot of people use that format, and I feel like people didn't necessarily see the format they used and how they did it. And I'm here to expose the secret on how you can make $400 from just TikTok lives. And yes, this is how you can do it. First and foremost is you have to have your own good content. You have to have like good and quality content on TikTok. That's like you having a nice content that viewers can see and decide to support you on TikTok live. Like whenever you go live on TikTok, they'll be like, let me come and support you or show you love for the kind of content you create. Yes, but if you don't have good content, I don't know how to make good content, or you're not in a space to make good content, this is what you can do to become an actual TikTok creator from live and make money, or become a streamer. You understand? Becoming a streamer on TikTok and make good money. First thing you have to do is find gifters. Yes, locate gifters yourself. You are not a content creator. You don't create content, so gifters will not find you. Now you're now trying to make money from them. You have to find the gifters yourself. First way you can do that is by going to visit people's life. I can tell you that this format can work for you if you take these two steps, which is doing it in 2 months. First is find gifters on TikTok live. Go to different TikTok lives and find gifters. When you find gifters, what you have to do is go to their page, follow them, engage with them, interact with them, support them, fans them, create, repost their content, like their content, engage on their content. Most gifters I know on TikTok are mostly people that just really enjoy giving out money, or really want to give out and support creators, or you really want to help creators out on TikTok. And when they see that you engage them very, very well, and you go live and TikTok notify them as a creator that they are, and TikTok notifies them that you are live, they will definitely join your live. And if they like what you're doing on the live, they will definitely support you. Another way to have people to engage on your content, on your live streams, and give you money on your live streams is doing outrageous things on your TikTok live. Someone like me now, I don't normally watch TikTok lives, right? I don't watch TikTok lives entirely. But if I must sit down and watch a TikTok live, it must be doing something great. It must be doing something crazy. It must be doing something mind-blowing. It must be doing something I have not seen before, right? So before I sit down properly and watch a TikTok live, it must be doing something I have not seen before, or I have not ever seen anywhere for me to engage that TikTok live. Do you get? So first and foremost, you have to find the gifters yourself. And if I'm going to do a very good format, find like 20 to 30 gifters that you like what they do on other people's live streams. When you find them, follow them, engage with them, interact with them, communicate with them. You can even send them DMs and like check up on them once in a while. Try to create a relationship with them. Understand? When you're able to do that, they can see you as someone that's also a genuine supporter of whatever they do and what they do. And yes, you can get creators gift from them. And that way you can do this by investing your own money into the game. What I mean by investing your own money into the game is when you can probably have like 50K or $50 and you convert it to coin on TikTok, hop into people's life, right? Hop into people's life and give to them. It might be little, it might be so small, but people see how small that people give to them. People see the smallest gift people give to them on TikTok lives. People see the smallest interaction people do. Like me now, if you engage on my YouTube video or you like my YouTube video, I see every engagement. If I don't reply to your comment, that's a lie. I probably saw it and did not want to reply. Do you get? So any smallest engagement people make on your social media posts, they see it. Unless it's someone like Ronaldo or Mercy or Kim Kardashian, but any small creator or content creator entirely sees every single engagement people make on their post. So when you interact with creators that do gift on lives, they will eventually return the favor back to you when you invest in their own brand. Do you get? So I'm giving you three strategies now. Three strategies you can go on with. One is look for creators and engage with them. 2 is do outrageous things that can give you live creators, live viewers, and live gifters. That outrageous things you can do are things like people have not seen before. You understand? Because that way it will interact, it will also bring people that have not even seen you before and people that don't even know who you are and what you're doing. And TikTok has a way of pushing out people's videos or people's views to the algorithm and be like, yes, tap in and watch a particular live video because they feel like you're doing something that people have not done before. Do you understand? And the third thing is investing your own money into the game of gifting. When you have a little amount of money, convert it to coins on TikTok, convert it to like roses or diamonds or anything, and gift creators like you too. And yes, they will do that in return if you they see what you're doing, and definitely they are seeing what you're doing. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next video.